So let me see if I understand. You want to become a doctor and you want high quality education, free public universities, and quality of life? You've got to choose Norway. Hi, this is Max from the Visa Library. Join me to learn the steps of studying and becoming a doctor in Norway. If you stick around, I will give you a free cheat sheet at the end. So, like, subscribe, and let's go. With no time to waste, let's answer the question, how to become a doctor in Norway. Step 1, university admission and entrance. You must find out what universities in Norway offer medical programs. Start by an online research to identify Norwegian universities that offer medical programs. Don't worry, you can see the list of them here. Perfect. Visit their official websites for specific details about their medical programs. Each university may have different admission requirements for their medical programs. Pay attention to details about academic prerequisites, language proficiency requirements, and any specific entrance exams. Typically, for undergraduate programs, applications are often processed through the NUCAS or NUCAS, if I'm not mistaken. Check the website for information on application timelines, required documents, and procedures. Then, you need to gather the necessary documents like academic transcripts, proof of language proficiency, letters of recommendation, a personal statement or motivation letter, etc. Follow the instructions provided by the university or NUCAS to submit your application. All right, moving on. Step 2, student visa application. Visit the UDI website to understand the specific requirements for a student visa. The minimum amount of money is about 130,000 NOK per academic year. Use personal savings, a letter of financial support from a sponsor, or proof of a sponsorship to show you have enough money. Get health insurance that is valid in Norway. If you are enrolled in the national insurance scheme, or if your home country has a social security agreement with Norway, this may not be necessary. Find a place to live and provide proof of your living arrangements in Norway, like a rental contract, a letter from the university confirming campus housing, etc. Don't forget, fill out the student residence permit application form available on the UDI website. Next, gather your passport, university admission letter, proof of financial means, health insurance, and accommodation details. You can submit your application and documents online through the UDI website or in person at a Norwegian embassy or consulate in your home country. The UDI website will guide you on the best way to submit your application based on your location. Don't forget to pay the application fee of about 5,400 NOK. In some cases, you may be required to attend an interview at the Norwegian embassy or consulates. Once your application is approved, you can travel to Norway. Congratulations! You may need to report to the local police station in Norway to complete the process and receive your residence card. Right. Step 3, study and complete the medical degree program. Basically, the medical program in Norway is a comprehensive 6-year course. The initial years focus on basic medical sciences, followed by clinical training. Keep in mind that some universities offer exchange programs, so be on the lookout. Being proactive in seeking additional learning opportunities such as research projects or community involvement can be beneficial. So keep that in mind. Step 4, complete your internship. The 18-month clinical training program is a crucial phase where you rotate between hospitals and general practices. This period is essential for practical skill development and gaining real-world experience. Networking with healthcare professionals during this phase can provide valuable mentorship and career guidance. All right, moving on. Step 5, license to practice. You gotta get one. Ain't no other way. Let's see. Apply to the Norwegian Directorate of Health for a license. Your application must include professional information and educational and professional experience. Documents like medical degrees, a specialist training, work experience certificates, medical board or equivalent good standing certificates are all required. The directorate checks them to see if they meet the standards and comes up with a decision. It can take a while, but you gotta be patient. If everything is okay, they will issue your license. Congratulations. But let me add just one little thing. You might need to take a medical license exam. You can see the name here. It is typically given in Norwegian and covers a wide range of topics, including clinical medicine and surgery. Step 6, specialization. It is actually optional, so you don't have to do it. Medical specialization in Norway for foreigners is important. Specialize in something that interests you, like general practice, surgery, or pediatrics. Typically, a specialization training lasts about 5 to 6 years. But sometimes you'll be working in a hospital or doing some research. Step 7, continuous education. Make sure you're learning and growing. Attend workshops, conferences, and pursue additional training. Now, some continuing education might be necessary to maintain your medical license. Let me answer this question for you. How much does a doctor make in Norway? Let's talk about money. A newly graduate doctor can expect a salary of about 500,000 NOK to 600,000 NOK per year. However, once you become a senior doctor with several years of experience, you can earn up to 2 million NOK annually or more. Now, let me answer some common questions for you. Is it possible to study medicine in Norway in English? No. Most medical degree programs in Norway are taught in Norwegian, with fluency in Norwegian often required for admission. While there are some English taught postgraduate programs, undergraduate medical education is generally not available in English. The minimum required CEFR level is generally B2, and the possible tests to prove your language proficiency are here. Next question. How much is the fee to study medicine in Norway? Public universities in Norway do not charge tuition fees, even for international students. Just between you and me. Go back. This policy includes medical studies. However, students are typically required to pay a small semester fee, which is usually between 300 to 600 NOK. And that was it. You're ready to go. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I prepared a cheat sheet about this video. You can download it from our website. Link is in the description. You can also follow our social media accounts. Again, all links are in the description. Thank you all for watching.